Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox mobile chat glitch on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Roblox chat not working in your Android, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, then search for Roblox. Tap on the Roblox. Once tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After that, then go back, tap on the permissions. You have to allow all the permissions. Just open one by one and allow all the permissions. After allowing all the permissions, then go back, open the Play Store, search for the Roblox. If your Roblox app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, just sign in your Roblox ID and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox chat not working in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.